This is Sensor 3. I will quickly deliver news about the Middle East war. Recently, shocking details have emerged regarding the attack on HMM's Namu. It is being reported that the drone engine recovered from the accident site is highly likely to be from an Iranian Shahed 136 series drone. The Shahed 136 is a suicide drone that Iran has continuously used in actual combat. It is a weapon that gained worldwide notoriety after being used extensively in the war in Ukraine. According to the government's initial investigation, at around 3:30 p.m. on May 4th, 2 drones attacked HMM's Namu. The drones reportedly hit the outer plate of the aft portside ballast tank at 1-minute intervals, causing a fire in the engine room. At the time, 24 crew members responded to the emergency, and fortunately there were no major casualties. However, 1 person was injured, and it is reported that the hull sustained a hole about 7 meters deep. The reason it was so dangerous is that if the attack point had been just a little lower, there was even a possibility of the ship sinking. Because of the nature of large merchant ships, if the engine room and main bulkheads are damaged, the situation can deteriorate rapidly. The current damage alone will take months to repair. This is considered a military provocation against a Korean vessel, and the government is analyzing the situation further. However, it is expected that our response will be quite limited. The reason is that there are still 26 of our ships stranded in the Hormuz area. This allows for added pressure at any time. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs now favors strong protests, demands for compensation, and measures to prevent recurrence over a strong military response. Meanwhile, the United Nations has strongly condemned this attack and expressed its intention to stand in solidarity with Korea. They have even publicly stated their willingness to fully support any measures Korea takes. We will have to wait and see how things turn out. It seems clear that the time is coming for Korea to take some kind of action as well. If there are any further updates, I will make another video and upload it. That concludes this video. Thank you.
Ja.